Do you know which car goes from 0 to 100 kilometers in just 3.4 seconds? Well, it is Lamborghini Urus SE. Now, if you want to know everything about this car, then you are watching the right video because you are watching Times Drive English. It's me, Pavni Jain, and it's time to begin with its front end. Starting from the front facade, you get to see a very nice and clean bonnet which beautifully blends into the front bumper. It is curvy in nature, and coming to the front bumper, it's been redesigned, looks really nice, fresh and also sporty. Now here at the middle of the bonnet, you also get the Lamborghini logo, and the two sides of the front end joins beautifully in the center. Also have a look at the headlamp cluster, wherein you get to see the LED DRLs which are inspired by the tail of the bull, and you also get to see the Matrix LED headlamps. Now you get a lot of piano black finishing on the entire front end, which looks really nice like I already mentioned. Now let's go to the side profile and check it out. Now please have a look at the side profile. You'll get to see the sporty lines running through the length of the entire car, which makes it even more bold and aggressive. Other than that, you get the dual toned ORVMs, the piano black finishing on the cladding, the body colored door handles and large windows for you to roll up and roll down. On the sides, you get 23 inches of alloy wheels, which is customizable between 21 to 23 inches. You also get to see the angular wheel arches, which makes it look really very aggressive as well as bold. While you start moving towards the rear end of the car even looks sportier because of the rear wheel arch and also the sportier look, angular look that you get right here. On the right side of the car, you get the fuel lid for petrol, and on the left side, you get the fuel cap for charging your car. While the rear end looks really very nice, beautiful and also distinctive, yet it also complements its front end, especially from here, the way the front bumper joins the two edges, the exact thing that you'll see on the rear end as well. So there are more elements at the rear end other than this. You get to see the mesh material here, which is hexagon design, and also you get to see the Lamborghini logo right on the center. You get to see the LED tail lamps with Y lights inside. Now Urus SE being the second plug-in hybrid after Riviera, let's talk about its electric powertrains. Now this car features 25.9 kilowatt-hour battery pack which generates 189 bhp of power and also 453 Newton meters of torque. Now if you're driving in 100% electric mode, you can drive up to 60 kilometers. Other than this, why hybrid this time if you question me? So this time it's hybrid because it helps the company in 80% reduction in emissions. Now did I tell you guys that the combined power this car generates is 789 bhp of power at 6000 rpm and also 950 Newton meters of torque at just 1750 rpm. Now also have a sneak peek at the interiors of the newly launched Urus SE. Now this car is the left-hand drive, but in India what you will get is the right-hand drive. This is just a reference model for you guys. You get to see a beautiful steering, you get to see very premium upholstery right here. Now with this car you get 8-speed automatic transmission, you get to see 12.3 inches of infotainment screen inside the car. You get 6 driving modes with Urus SE. So this was my brief introduction of the Lamborghini Urus SE. For more such videos, all you need to do is stay tuned to Times Drive English.